What up? All right. So we got a game plan here. Here's what I'm gonna do. Um, I'm not gonna trade my Lucid accounts. What up, Rev? I'm not gonna trade my Lucid accounts anymore today, but my FFF accounts, the one that's close to a payout, bro, I'm gonna trade it again because I'm only down $300 on the day, and I have more than $10,000 of room in drawdown on those accounts. So I'm not gonna stress on it, and I'm probably just gonna try and take another setup today if we get one. Cause like I don't know. I said something to Amy earlier, and it kind of made things. It kind of changed my perspective a little bit. I was like, instead of being instead of being mad about uh instead of being mad about the loss, I should probably just be happy that I only have to worry about being mad about that 20% of the time. 20 20% or less of the time. So I should probably be thankful and blessed that we do have the win rate that we do have. So losses are just going to happen. um but I don't want that to like scare me away from trying to take another trade today because dude, I have so much drawdown on those accounts. Like there's no reason that I can't try one more play. Like I could genuinely be risking $1,000 a trade on those accounts and it wouldn't really change anything. So I'm like, I'm down $300. That's not shit. I'll probably try and take something else if we get it. But my Lucid accounts, I'm absolutely done for the day. Those are down 270, and I don't want to risk being down anymore on those because again, those are evals still, right? And it's not the same drawdown limit. So the only reason I'm going to continue to trade my FFFs is because they have so much drawdown. So in terms of drawdown amount, right? Like I still have tons of room, so I'm not worried about it. All right. What's up? I know and it's all going to depend on price action, right? Like if we don't get a good setup, then when you get say a fresh 50K and you just risk 5 micros till you build a buffer, yeah. I try and risk like 250 to 300 per trade on a new account with a 25-point hard stop. Yeah, somewhere between 25 and 30. So it kind of looks like we broke the SMT from this morning. We did close above this 5-minute BPR, but it came back down. So let's zoom in and see if there's a lower time frame that didn't get inversed that we're rejecting out of or not. So we have this big 30-second gap here, right? Big 30-second gap that is a breakaway gap from a bearish SMT. Let's see if that's what held us down. Oh, not really. We kind of closed above it. Let's see. So it's probably just this 1 hour still, really, right? Oops. This 1 hour is what still keeps holding price down, right? This price action is awful. I literally almost took that short where it closed above that gap and came back down, but I didn't. And then I tried catching it because FOMO, and it was dumb. Laughed my ass off. Like, took it way down. Eesh. This PA is so bad. Like I know I just said that I was probably gonna try and trade some more, but if it doesn't, if this PA doesn't get better, I mean, again, all I'm gonna wait for is my checklist, right? All I'm gonna wait for is a setup that has my checklist. That's it. I don't have to overthink it. That's why I really like having that checklist, right? Because we could have other setups triggering in the meantime, but unless it's my checklist, I'm good. Oh wait, what is the command? Is it setup? If you don't know the checklist, there's the checklist. Shout out to Amy for the design. You could wait until after FOMC minutes to see if we get better PA. Yeah. Let's see. Starts in half an hour. Oh gosh. I'm just here waiting to see if this bot actually does what I want it to for news alerts. I hate when I see this. Let's see. And the gaps are on 15. Oh, geez. So after tapping this 1 hour, we came down and put in a bearish 15-minute gap, right? So we keep holding below that. Made sense to inverse the 15-minute down. Oh, man. If this 15-minute down inverses, we're going to go after these lows. I'll tell you what. I was eyeing it for a paper, never got it. Yeah. Who wants to do a quick quiz? 5-minute LRR is juicy, but maybe not today. Yeah, down here, oh, this looks so nice, dude. If we break this 15, we run to NWOG. We got to break this 15-minute down here. I'm going to extend this to the right because I want to keep track of that gap. Have you been mostly using 1 minute for entry or whatever looks probable? This PA has been pretty bad, so I feel like the last few trades I've been taking has been like 5 minutes. Actually, I think both the trades we took today were 5-minute entries. So it's like I would prefer to enter on 1 minute, 30-second, but PA, we're not getting candles big enough to do that lately, especially today. If you fail or get 50% in the quiz, the final thing is kind of funny. Oh, okay, wait. So we need to fail it on purpose to see what it says? Because we keep just, I mean, obviously we keep getting all of them right. So, but we've only done medium. We could try a harder one. We've been seeing how Jay does. We've been letting Jay answer the questions. It won't call me a donut at the end, will it? So just tagging into this 2-minute BPR here. See if we want to break that BPR or not. Let's see. Did we sweep a 5-minute high? Yes. Gap's not super big or singular, so doesn't quite fit my checklist, but yeah, no, the discount banner is fire. Can't lie. Dude, the candle model, you guys, I can't even, dude, like, the candle model can, we have it like, dude, Amy, one day I just walked in, she's all, check this out, and I was just like, my jaw just dropped, bro. Nah, nope. Add ability to add image for the next for the question. What do you mean? Dude, this thing is like something that it's so good that we had to talk about possibly charging for it. That's how good it is. Like like obviously nothing crazy, but that's how good it is, cuz we're just like, dude, wow. This is like, it's like literally it's hard cuz I don't want to talk about it. It's so fun. I don't want to talk about it. Yeah, you could do a course with it, genuinely. Okay, I was waiting for her to say it or not. You could literally do a course just over this. So we've been bouncing ideas around, I'll tell you what. It's so good, dude. Like, obviously the OGs don't have to worry about it, but okay, I bet. Wait, like chart screenshot, then question, would you take this trade? Oh, I see. That would be sick. New trader psychology YouTube series, adding things, all psychology based with a trading focus. And I would have people do pre-work, weekly work, classes similar to the scarf stuff. Oh man. Woo! It's heating up in here. Damn. Chart image, is this an FVG? Oh, so basically like a AI assistant kind of. Oh shit, I'm going back to school. Dude, you guys, it's so hard not to do a duck race right now. This is so boring. Quiz? Oh yeah, let's do a quiz. All right, which one we doing, Jay? I'm about to sweat on this one. Psychology? All right. You guys, why do I feel like the lights in the back should be in a different spot? I feel like my head's just blocking the lights, bro. All right, let's do psychology. Dude, Amy is next level, seriously. All right, we'll do medium. All right, what is FOMO? We got B. Okay. What is revenge trading? Trading to make back losses immediately out of anger, trading against a friend, trading specifically to hurt the market, careful planned trading. My favorite strat. Shut your punk ass up, boy. What what is confirmation bias? Confirming a trade with a broker, looking only for information that supports your existing belief, checking the news, double checking entry prices. B. Okay. What is the gambler's fallacy in trading? Believing a winning streak must continue, believing a reversal is due simply because price has moved far, betting everything on one trade, using leverage. Ooh. This is a good one. What do you guys think? It's got to be A, right? A. I honestly, this is a tough one. I would think A, right? Because you're not just going to continue a win streak. That's a gambler's fallacy, is thinking they're just going to keep winning, right? Because it wouldn't say a gambler's fallacy wouldn't just be betting everything on one trade. That would be like full porting. It's like I feel like it's A. Thinking you're due a win because you've been losing. Yeah, that'd be a good one if it was on here. Ooh, it says believing a reversal is due simply because price has moved far. Interesting. I don't know if I agree with that one. That's it. I'm doing admin access and I'm changing that one. I'm changing that one. All right, next. Why is patience important? It isn't to wait. It isn't to wait for high probability setups, to avoid paying fees, to let the computer cool down. B. All right, so it says we're profitable. We're not excellent, but we're profitable. That's fire. Let's go. Yeah, it's really fun, honestly. Now fail a one question quiz. Okay, let's see. Wait, we'll do liquidity concepts because we've already done it. And we'll do easy. And we'll do one. What does equal highs stand for? Equilibrium highs. Oh, it says we're liquidity. Dude, that's hilarious that I chose the liquidity concepts. That's what it says. We clearly don't understand liquidity concepts, so now we're liquidity. Dude. Oh my god, bro. Nah, that's hilarious. Oh, dude. You know what? I just realized this would be a cool video to make. We should do a video of us all doing the quiz together. You know what I mean? Because we could do the hard ones. Let's see how we all do. Hop on a VC. Yeah, we could hop on a VC. That would be funny. Everyone's shouting answers. Yeah, exactly. Nah, we should do that. That would be fun. Dude, Sean would be definitely saying all the wrong answers every single time, just to do that. Her mom learning to trade from a textbook. I told her that's not going to end well for her. Just why I said, because people like the inner circle, they making money off those people. Ha! Not today. I didn't. I got eaten up. But according to statistics, at least 80% of the time, yes, we do indeed. All right. Let's do one more quiz real quick. Jay, what category? Hard risk management. Okay, let's see. Okay, what does RR stand for? You got this. Risk to reward ratio, rest and relaxation, return rate, range rotation. Okay, risk to reward. What is a recommended risk per trade for beginners? 10 to 20%, 50%, 1 to 2%, 100%. Rest and relaxation doesn't exist for traders. 100%. Okay, let me put it to you like this. If you have a $50,000 account and you're risking, how much do you want to risk in percentage of that? See? Okay. What is drawdown? Drawing lines on the chart, the reduction in capital from a peak to a trough. Okay. Withdrawing money, the end of the day. What does trough mean? A long, narrow, open container for animals to drink out of. Bro, that's why I'm laughing. Because I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. Hold up. All right, we found a question we got to fix. If you hit drawdown, you go boom. All right, we're going to go with B. Oh, we were right. Hold up, dude. I don't know what's going on here. What is position sizing? Making the chart bigger, calculating how many lots shares to buy based on risk, choosing a broker, setting a profit target. Okay. I was like, you sure? What is a stop loss? In order to close a losing position to prevent further loss, in order to take profit, a fee paid to the broker, stopping trading for the day. All right, well, we're insane. You feel accomplished? Okay, Amy, he replied and said, "Oh, okay, no worries." That he didn't know that we did that already. So, don't worry about that anymore. I was like, "Yo," for a second, for a few minutes there, I was all, "Yo," but I was like, I need to just reply, otherwise, it's just gonna, uh, I'll be in my head about it. So I'm glad I just like full send. You know, we're the bosses. Last question needs. Well, that's why I said. You're right. What I meant to say is Amy is the boss. Dude, I'm like stuck on this quiz, bro, but I don't want to just sit here and do it all in one sitting, bro. You know? Hmm. My love, I wonder if I should put the lights instead of behind the chair, put them over here in the corner. I almost think that would be better. You agree? I'm being here, but I'll be right back. El Mod. I'm kidding, dude. No, I'm kidding. Wait, maybe it's not. Maybe that isn't a good spot for it. For a different backdrop. Glad to know it was Sean. Yeah. Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good. So we just keep bouncing out of this 2 minute gap, right? Um, I know it seems like I'm not really paying attention, but what is there to pay attention to right now, you guys? We might as well just enjoy chilling these last 2 days of the year and just lock in on starting Friday. You know what I mean? 2 p.m. FOMC. Yeah, plus we got well, it's just FOMC minutes, so it's not a big deal. Your bot worked. That's dope. Did it alert that hey, there was news starting now or something? Let's see. Yep. Nice. Maybe we should make a new role called news alerts and have that as a role that people can add. And is there a way we can make the bot ping that when it messages? Pretty sure. Oh yeah, it says news dropping right now. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. www. That happens, honestly. That's pretty normal, I feel like. Sometimes SPX will hit all-time highs, but the ES chart won't. I've seen that happen a lot, actually. Nice. Bro, it's so hard not to do a duck race. I'm being real. I just want to ping everyone and say, get in here, it's duck race time. See, but look, now that the lights are right there and you can see them, it doesn't look that bad right there. But maybe, I don't know, baby. Oh, that's kind of clean. There's no way with the 5-minute short that I took today we can get that, though. Yeah, I could see that. Just like build some legs on the back of it so it stands up or something. Yeah. That makes sense. $12, $24, $36, $48, $62. Yeah, it's more than big enough. $125. Oh no, man. If we can get one paid member in here, then we can get it. Take that LRLR down real quick and order it. Okay. What's the price? It's $100. So it's $100, but we do AM and PM like normal, obviously. And then we're gonna start doing back testing, charting sessions, psychology talks every week. So starting on the 5th, starting on the 5th, that weekly schedule, dude, I'm gonna have to make the font smaller because I'm gonna not have room to fit everything we're gonna be doing on it. So just be ready for that. Like, it's basically going to be a 24-hour job for the next year, at least. So we do have some LRLR up here, right? Let's say we just manipulate down, tap into this 15-minute again, and get along. You know? Dude, I appreciate you guys. Like 100%. It's just a bunch of real ones, you know? I like it. DOS squad. Maybe it's just the camera. Can't go any wider. All I can do is zoom. Oh. Hello. So still can't inverse this 2 minute. Oh, wait. Maybe we did. Still can't inverse the 2 minute. Literally closed on the tick. So we swept this low. Got this little 30-second gap right here. And by little, I mean too little for my criteria. No 5 minute low that's delivering from anything. So it's basically just a tape reader for me. Let's look at ES. This is all garbage. I think we're getting more value from the quiz than current candle movement. Got a 1 minute here. So we tapped into this little tiny BPR here, right? Now we're pushing up through this 1 minute. Okay. Depending on how confident you are in longs, it didn't inverse there. There's also a little 2 minute gap here. 30-second. Hello there. VH. Okay, so basically it would look something like this. There's all this LRLR here. It's really... Dude, these candles are dog. I'm doing good. How are you? Good. So we do have delivery. We have a sweep. There's the inverse there. I'm not taking this shit. But, you know, I wouldn't blame someone if they did want to try it. We have this LRLR right here, right? We got the sweep. But there's just no way. Yeah. What the... So for me, what I would want to see is us genuinely sweep all this. Right? Like that. That's what I want to see. So we're just being held up by that 2 minute BPR here. Right? So not much going on. I just saw on Discord that you're live. I joined and I see that about 40 minutes have passed. What strategy are you trading with? Can you explain a little bit? I trade inverse fair value gaps. So basically when let me show you an example of a trade that we took this morning. So basically we have this bearish fair value gap here, right? That sent price lower. Couldn't close above, come down, we sweep God. We sweep liquidity, right? And then I wait to see us inverse this fair value gap with good momentum, right? And when we do get the close above, so you see how multiple times we pushed into it, but it couldn't close above. Even right here, we wicked above it, but didn't close above. When we finally get the close above, that's where I enter, right? And then my target is just buy side liquidity. We got stopped out, break even, unfortunately, but you can see it still worked. And then another example would be, because I don't just want to show a winner, would be this 5 minute short here, which I got top ticked, stopped out, right? But the entry would be here when we inverse this 5 minute gap that was used to sweep liquidity, right? So we were just trying to target down here in this 15-minute gap, sweep these lows. Got stopped out, but TP never hit anyway, so no big deal. Good. Yeah. So sorry if that didn't make any sense, but it's hard to just explain that one real quick. Guys, I'm being completely real. I don't know how much more I can take of this today. Yeah. But we'll see if we can get some movement. How long have you been doing this, and what do you usually trade? I've been doing this for almost 2 years, and, well, yeah, 3 more months will be 2 years. And then, wait, 4 more months. 4 more months will be 2 years. And I trade the NASDAQ. Only NQ? Yeah, pretty much. I've occasionally traded gold, but I'm not too big of a fan of it. But I execute on NQ, but I look at ES for confluence. Just literally in the 30-point range for, let's see, 2.5 hours. No big deal. Quite impressive, I must say. Where are you from? I'm from Oregon, USA. So honestly, we are leaving some good sell side down here, right? This. So I wouldn't be opposed to us manipulating up, tapping into this gap here, and getting an inverse down to try and target these lows. Does anyone see that vision? Where are you from? What do you trade? Albanian? Wow. You trade NQ? Nice. How long have you been trading? So again, I would like to see us tap into this 5-minute gap here and see how we react out of that. Almost a year? Nice. How's that journey been going for you? It's going good? Nice. You got a strategy that you've been using for a while yet, or are you still searching for a strategy? Just supply and demand? Nice. Make that money. Yeah. So we put in this little 2-minute gap. We have this 30-minute gap here that keeps holding price down. Okay, so let's see if we can push up and tap into the 5-minute. Genuinely, if we got something like this, I would be interested in that. Midnight open at 7:45. So right up here. Yeah, right in this 5-minute gap. So perfect. Let's go ahead and just... Oh, wait. 7:49. Gotcha. So yeah, right up here in this 5-minute. Perfect. Oops. Now get up there. Finally, the heater just turned on. I was literally just about to come out there and turn it on. I'm cold. Maybe we can turn it up. So we inverse the 15-minute, right? Now we're starting to push up above this 30-minute. I'll turn it up. Wait, you know what? I gotta come grab my water anyway. So. Trading View is snowing. What do you mean? That's funny. It's just crazy accumulation, bro. Could get this 30-minute OB up as well as the inverse. Dude, this is gonna make me fall asleep. I'm I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm trying to lock in on something, but I can't. Like, oh, nice. Bet. Dude, bet. Fire. Thank you. That's sick. French onion orzo with sous vide tri-tip for dinner. Oh my god. Yes. Check this out. So we did hanger steak, sous vide, and bro, it was so bomb. Nice. It's mine and Amy's 7-month today. Right? 7? April, May, June. 8? 8. Yeah, 8. 8 months. Amy and I celebrating our 8 month today, so it's pretty cool. Freaking love her. What's the signature dish? And then after you tell me the signature dish, we're doing a quiz. I can't do this. Buddy gave me some venison tenderloins, red pepper pesto tortellini with some spinach and basil, fresh mozz, and the venison tenderloin on top. Ooh. Yeah. So on a real note, if we close below this 2 minute with some good momentum, for some reason I could... No. We need to tap into the 5 minute. Give us something good. Homemade tortellini, right? How you do that there? All right, Jabe. I want you to try the order blocks. You ready to try the order blocks? I worked in fine Italian dining. Nice. Yeah, dude, Jay's a savage. Oh, you. Yeah, that looks bomb, dude. Oh, my. Here's the bros tortellini. Yeah, that looks so good. Quiz time. All right, order blocks. We'll start you on easy because I don't think you'd have done much with order blocks. So let me just, we'll do it on easy. Yeah. Oh, damn. I don't even know this. Yeah, I'm kidding. All right. Okay. What is a bearish order block? The last up candle before a drop, the last down candle before a rally, a gap in price, a support level. It wouldn't be the last up candle before a drop, right? Oh, it would. That's weird. Wait, what? That's not a bearish order block then? Wait. The last up candle before... Oh, okay, wait. No, I didn't read that right. No. That's right. I didn't read that right. Yeah. I read that wrong. It's definitely A. I didn't read that right. All right, let's go next. What validates an order block? It must be a green candle. Price must react to it immediately. It should lead to a break of structure or an imbalance. It happens only on 1 minute chart. I think it's C, to be honest. You think B? All right, we'll go with B. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Which candle is typically considered the bullish order block? The last up close candle before a down move, the last down close candle before an impulse move up, the doji in the middle of a trend, highest volume candle. B. Okay. Why do order blocks work? Because of indicators, institutional sponsorship leaving footprints, retail traders selling, random chance. Cool. We're break even. There's an issue here. Well, we wouldn't have been, but we got it wrong. We got one wrong because we didn't read it right. So there is a little SMT here too at the top. It's a pretty small gap, but I mean, can anyone else see the vision on this short? Jay Brown got an affinity for B. Real. All right. So no inverse there. Jay Brown would have been my least favorite teacher in school. I hated teachers that would have been like answer C 5 times in a row. For real. There's no world I take a trade right now. Can you give me the Discord group? It should be in my description, I think, but I'll post it in the chat for you. There, I posted the link to the Discord in the chat. We've been bouncing in a 30-point range for 2 hours. I don't know why anyone would take a play right now because we're going to break out of the range right now. Can I give you the permission? I don't see you. Can you ping me in general chat? You got it? Oh, you gotta accept the rules and stuff before you can. So go to the Start Here channel. Oh, I see them. They're in the general. So 50 seconds till the 2 minute closes. I think I'm on the same boat as Jay. I'm just gonna tape read this, dude. I don't want to trade this anymore. I thought I'd be willing to take another trade, but looking at this price action, I'm good on it. What up? Dude, you joined just in time, man. 2 more days and it would. I can't lie. 2 more days, you'd have had to sign up. So there's the 2 minute inverse there. So it would be something like that. You'd probably go BE at this low here. So again, I'm not gonna take this, but I was really considering it. Ah, whatever. I'm getting in. I'm playing. Why? It's gonna work. It's gonna take an hour to even touch BE. Probably right. Oh no. There's no if. This will hit this swing low right here. you're in, you're in on with 2 minis on paper. Let's get it. Get it. Oh, dude. You guys, I think I'm just gonna call it here, man. This is doing nothing, and I kind of want to go hang out with my wife. Hi. Can't wait to watch the short bounce around in that big ass 15-minute gap some more. Nah, bro. At 11:42, so at 2:42, at 2:42 and 30 seconds, the break even's gonna hit. So there's that for you. I'll put right here. 2:42:30. Wait. No. Why did I do that? Let's go the other way. But yeah, that's gonna do it for me, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow. As soon as this break even hits at exactly the 2:42 and 30 seconds, we got 20 seconds to go. Come on. Go, go, go. Wait. Okay, well, it didn't work, but yeah. I was trying to time when this break even got hit, but I was wrong, and now it's going the other way. So that's going to do it for me. I'll see you guys for AM in the Mornski. I'm going to go prep a tri-tip with Amy. Later.